Can someone tell me why we all scream for ice cream during the summer? I mean, our friends, especially our kids, mom, dad, let's hang out and eat the ice cream all the time. And I'm like, why don't you just make yours at home as I'm doing right now and have your friends over, or maybe even make a party and let them come over and enjoy this as dessert. Welcome back to Patience Cooking. If you're new here, please share and follow, like and subscribe. Today we are making a delicious yummy ice cream. I started by first blending 500 kilograms of strawberries with half cup of coconut milk, and then I later went for that to hand mix with the mixer some heavy cream. The heavy cream was also 500 grams, and when I was done hand mixing it, I also added the already mixed blended strawberries. So I added it and I also hand mixed it with the hand mixer, and then I went further to add some condensed milk, 397 grams of condensed milk, and then I mixed this. You guys, look at how easy and simple this process is. Before you know, you are done and dusted, and all you'll be doing is just sit and wait until it is ready. I really like to make my things myself, especially things that people add a lot of sugar in it. Believe me, we are making this without any sugar, you guys, and it's gonna be tasting like really, really heavenly. So do this at home and let me know how it turned out, because I know when you are done making this, you'll be singing praises to yourself, and your kid will be praising you like, "Dad, Mom, you did well with this," or even your friend or your family. And please like, share, subscribe, follow if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy this recipe because it was really delicious and I enjoy it. I'm gonna be putting this in my freezer, and I will be having this like every now and then until it's finished. Maybe it will take me like a month, I have no idea, but I am grateful that you are here and you're watching this video with me and we are doing this together. Thank you very much, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.